Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up an AI chatbot in any software system, which is a powerful feature you can offer to your clients as part of your digital software business. Now this tool will help you automate customer interactions like booking appointments, handling leads, and answering FAQs, all while providing massive value to your clients. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to set up. Okay, whether you're looking to grow your software business or just starting out, this AI chatbot feature is a great service to include in what you're offering your clients. And you know what? There's no tech skills needed, or there's no coding as well, and it's really easy to set up. You'll be surprised. So let's get into it. Access the conversation AI settings. We can do that by logging into your software account. In this case, we are using HIGHLEVEL. If you don't have a HIGHLEVEL account yet, it's easy to sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, you want to go directly to the settings menu in your sub account. From there, click on Conversation AI. This is where you'll configure the chatbot, which can automatically handle customer inquiries, book appointments, and more, all on behalf of your client. All right. Step 2, set up the AI chatbot. In the Conversation AI section, you'll see 3 modes: off, suggestive, and autopilot. You want to select autopilot to enable the chatbot to respond to customers automatically without any manual input. Next, choose the communication channels you want the AI bot to operate in. It could be SMS, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, Google Business Profile, or web chat. Whichever channel your clients are using most to interact with their customers, you can go ahead and do that. I usually click all of them. Train your AI chatbot. This is where the chatbot learns to handle specific questions and tasks. Go to the bot training section where you have 2 options. 1, train via URLs. You can enter the business's website or blog URLs, and the AI will scan them for relevant information to respond to common customer questions. For example, if your client is a dentist, the bot can learn to answer questions like, what are your hours, or do you accept new patients? Or manual training with Q&A. You can also manually add question and answer pairs. This allows you to customize the chatbot's responses. For example, if your client often gets inquiries about pricing or services, you can add those as custom Q&As to ensure the bot responds accurately. Now, training the bot is quick, and you can always update or add new information as needed. Step 4, go ahead and test your chatbot. Once the chatbot is trained, it's important to test it out. Go to the bot trial section where you can simulate a conversation. The bot will respond just like it would with a customer. Make sure everything works as expected, whether it's answering questions or scheduling appointments. If the bot doesn't respond correctly, you can easily adjust and fine-tune its responses by providing feedback within the system. Step 5, offer this as a service to your clients. Now that your AI chatbot is fully set up and tested, it's time to offer this as a service to your clients. Now, the feature can automate lead generation, customer service, and appointment bookings for businesses like dental offices, real estate agents, and local service providers. The best part, it's a monthly service that creates recurring revenue for you. If you're serious about starting your own digital software business, integrating AI chatbots in your software business is one of the smartest ways to add value for your clients. Not only does it help businesses run smoother, but it also creates a steady recurring revenue for yourself. All right. So if you're interested in getting more free information, please comment below, and I'll send you a link to more resources that can help you get your software business up and running. So check out more videos right here. I believe it's here or here, wherever, whichever side. But check out more videos, and if you think that this video is helpful, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.